What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Antoine. I'm a day trader. I've been trading for 3 years now. And this video, I'm about to start dropping these bangers every single day. Every time I trade, I usually take about 3 to 4 or 5 trades a week, just depending on whatever markets I see that day. So this is the one from I had from earlier Monday. So I'm just gonna put this in here and let me know what y'all think. Any suggestions, anything else y'all want to see, put it down in the comments below, and let's start the intro.
Gotta hold your head up and know your place. If you been in this position, then it's just a phase. If your ass would take a chance, you would be amazed. One thing I believe is God don't make mistakes.
Yeah, so I'm gonna start doing these every day. I don't usually trade the New York sets. I usually only trade London opening, but I was off today, so I said might as well kick it off with something different today. Come back to y'all tomorrow on the live, but I'm looking for this to retest and continue to buy up to here. We're bullish all throughout the London. All throughout the London, I think it's gonna be a continuation and continue to buy up and fill up these gaps for the week, all the way up to here. So let's get this chart up. I haven't even touched the charts. This is all from just like back testing. All right, so first thing I always look for, so in the 30, go to the 15. Boom. It's definitely gonna be somewhere here because this is a zone. Might get a retest down into here. That's what I'm looking for. Maybe a little retest, then a quick buy back up. So we could get a retest, pull back down to here. As soon as we pull a buy back up, I feel like we're going here with it. So this is a good little candle right here. Even on the day, what are we doing for the day? We're bullish on the day. We'll get a little drop back down here. Yeah, so I feel like we're gonna at least come back up, take it up to here at least. Maybe up to here. This zone, we'll definitely have this zone right here. You just gotta find whatever zones you want to play in between, where it's gonna be ranging. I think it's gonna range up to here, start to hit there. Maybe just come back here and then get a little retest. But I'm waiting on a retest right now. Then wait for a buy signal to get back in, or the perfect zone for it on the hour. We got a little doji. It definitely looks like it wants to sell right here, but we're gonna wait for the sell, wait for it to come back. And now we just wait. Let me picture that. That's 40. Okay, coming down here. That's 20. We could get a retest to this 20 right here. That's 30 up. We can get like a retest back to this low point right here. Come back up to here, or just you can come back down here, take this out. Boom, boom. We're just gonna have to wait and see, but usually look at it on the 5. Oh, time is it? It's 8:30. Okay, cool. Let's see if we got any news. Um, what we do? I don't know. Check the news here. It's being kind of janky. Let's go. Sorry.
Yeah, we got some news at 9. Well, that's Euro news. We got some years 999. What is this? Higher than expected figure could cause a positive bull run. Lower than expected would be a negative. What is it? Actual, previous. Yeah, so it might looks like it's gonna sell 5 maybe. Yeah, it looks like it wants to sell. Inside the top two, so we could get a retest, take the sell down. So we don't have to wait and see till 9 o'clock comes, but we gonna see. We gonna see. I already look at that. What? Damn. It's good pie here. Could be I'm back and retest down to here. Take the sell. Think it might come back up there eventually, but I definitely think it's definitely gonna retest because it bought up so much. And then according to this candle, it could buy up to here. This is the supply zone. We'll take it to this all the way back down to this demand zone at some point. So I think it'll probably come back here eventually. But we're gonna wait and see if I don't get a break above this. If, like you said, it touched it. If I don't get a full body candle, I'm taking the sales down. And even on here. Four is pretty bullish, so we're gonna wait and see. Still record. Pretty neutral, saying so we're gonna wait and see for that. Think if you come from here to here, like you can see the retest here. 'Cause I don't think it's gonna pull back all the way, but might pull back a little bit and then take the buy. So I might as well just wait for the buy, right? I think I'm just gonna wait for the buy up here. We do have a high, but we got 26 minutes left on the hour. It could do anything. Yeah, we're just gonna wait and see. Looks like it might continue up to buy. And if you go to the news, previously was this could be lower, a lower than expected number could be a sell, but there's more news than just this. Signal comes higher than expected, preview positive, lower than expected. Okay. This is higher, so this is higher. So it could be bullish, someone's gonna be negative. So you just have to wait and see because they're both contradicting each other. So this could do buy or sell. So that's what we're gonna wait with. But yeah, tap in for the YouTube. This is gonna be the first video I put on the YouTube channel. Just to let y'all know. I usually trade doing the London, into London, beginning New York, because I work, but off today. So decided why not just go in for the New York session. So we're gonna wait and see, man. My name's Twan. I've been trading about 3 years. I've been trading about 3 years. 3 years at this point. See more profitability than I used to. I started trading in 2021, really. Realistically, I think I started trading in 2021. I knew about trading like 2022 at some point, but we're gonna wait and see. But yeah, this is the year. I've been pretty profitable here recently all year. So decided why not go ahead and just start putting content out for it and just see where it takes me. So y'all gonna see a lot more of me. I'm here to stay. So it's continuing right here. Still continuing to buy. I think when they go up to here, just wait for a slight little retest or push down. And I think it's time to get in. Because if you go on an hour, 4 hour, we're all bullish. So we're gonna wait and see. I'm trading on a funded account right now. I'm currently down. So we're on the way back up. Let's go. Yeah, man. Comment below. How do y'all feel about everything going on in the Forex industry and all that? Let me know. Let me know what y'all real thoughts are about everything. Everybody's switching to futures. I'm staying with FX until the wheels fall off. Yeah, now we just wait. Wait till we see something. That's literally all trading is. Once you get the skill set, it does get kind of boring at sometimes just because you're literally just sitting here waiting for something to happen. We will get some stuff coming here probably within the next, what time is it? 30 minutes. We'll get some action here pretty much. Even if we get like a dip down, currently looks like it wants to buy up. It seems like it's continuing on the sell, but I want to get in long position, maybe down to here, but I wanted to retest a little bit more before I get in. But we'll wait and see. I only take like 1 to 15. So I do 1 to 2s. I'm a scalper. So I pretty much just wait for the right entry. Like I could take the sell down. I could take the sell down, but I don't know how much anticipating it's gonna sell down into. So I'm going with the trend. The trend is your friend. So I'm taking the buys. So I just watch this keep selling down, and then we'll just get in for the buys and see how high we ride it. That's pretty much it. Literally. That's literally all it is. I usually watch YouTube videos while I'm trading, just so I'm not staring at the charts all the time. I definitely think it's definitely buying. We're just waiting for it. Let's check on some other pairs while I wait. Same shit on EU. It's already broke above. Could get a slight little retest and get the buy back up, but it definitely looks like it wants to push. 1, 2, 3. Same thing here. Then we have all these confirmations. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. This is this initial move. We'll catch a little sell down. You see how it's already looking like it wants to come down. So we're just gonna ride that until we get like a retest back into the buy. So we're gonna ride this sell down because especially I want this to break this right here, come back down to here and sell. So that's what we're waiting on. Hmm. Hmm. But yeah, we're just gonna sit here and wait until we get some movement on something and then check back in with y'all. Got future going. Yeah. Y'all listen to New Future yet? To be honest, we either could get a buy up to here or we get a sell down. Because if this comes back up here, retests this sell, and then we say to push, bro, you know it's just selling back down. So that's I'm just letting y'all know. You gotta know the different. You gotta know what different setups are like. Because that's a clean setup right there. If it goes up, comes back here, then takes a sell, or it could come back down to here, retest this, and come back up. So that's what we're looking for. We'll see whatever moves looks the best. That's what we take in. Got the zones. We know down here is gonna be about 40 pips down. We know up to here is gonna be another like 30. So it's either gonna go up or down to here. And it's gonna play between the zone between the picks whichever direction wants to go. Let's see if we go here. So yeah, see these candles. You see this pushing here. So it's already pushing. Now if we get like a retest down, it could come back. See, it's already pushing. We could get like a retest back down to this area and then be gone. It's like a cool little 50% of the range type shit. So we get that, see, and then we get the retest back to here, take the buy up. But we just gotta wait and see because it looks like it's definitely selling. Like that's a rejection candle right there. So it's definitely selling. It's definitely gonna sell off before we get in for the buy. This is on the 3 minute. What time is it? We got about 15 minutes until we get to like 9. Then we got the 9:30 candle. So we're just gonna wait and see because that's when the news usually comes out. So we'll wait and see. Go here on an hour. It's 30 minutes, so we're still pushing. But if we don't get a break above this, man, we in no go. We back down. We got to break this to get here. But I mean, we pushing hard. But if we get another like wave retracement, this is probably gonna come back down here to retrace. But it's pushing though. It's pushing though. Pushing. We got a little break above. We did get a break above. Now let's wait on it. We'll see what we're gonna do. We did get a little slight break above. 15. Just a supply zone. So it did come up to here. It got a little break. We'll see if we continue to push. If it doesn't push and it starts to make it like a lower lows, we're just getting the sales and we're taking the sale back down to this demand zone right here, back where this is just like a middle point. We can take that out. That's like a retest zone. We just gotta wait and see what it wants to do because it could still retest back right here and then come back up. So we're gonna have to wait and see because it is bullish. We could get a slight retest and then up to this zone, but we're gonna wait and see. Yeah, we're just waiting. Yeah, we got a little break above. Let's just wait and see what the candle's gonna do. Yeah, we like want to buy down. This is out to a broke above the high. See how much we can push up. I think it's getting losing exhaustion. I think sellers about to come back into the market. We should get a mean sell down. So yeah, that's what it looks like. We're cooking with it. We'll have to wait and see what happens with after this news. This news goes off at 9:30. Was it 9? Yeah, 9. Yeah, so 9. There's some lesser news. I saw country as hell saying that. There's some lesser news coming on. That's low, low, low. Let's see what this news is. I usually don't even look at news, but since I'm trading New York, I feel like I got to. This don't say nothing. So this is pointless. I don't have to say anything. That was fat. Cook. Yes, 9:30, 9:99. GU speech at 9:15. So we just gonna see what's gonna happen. Might sell, might buy. Play it out. 10:30, that's low. So yeah, so really all the high news is gonna be at 9 here. Then I think whatever it's gonna do, those are both inverted. So then the Dallas and there's a speech going on at 9:30. So we'll see. So it's like we're only getting in at like 9:30-ish. Maybe. Yup, yup, yup. You see the sell. 15. Just wait and see. Yeah, I definitely feel like we're gonna get a little sell because we're at a high. Who knows? We might continue this buy, which that would be crazy that's buy if it is, but I think it's gonna sell for sure. We'll wait and see what's gonna happen. Bullish. Wait, dog. You're saying wait and shit. Uh, this is a beautiful ass zone here on London. Usually it switches. So if it buys, so usually I used to trade the end of London like around like 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. to like really 7. So this would have been my regular time, but I was off today. So then I was at my girl's house and I didn't feel like really getting up and trading over there. So I was just like, let me just catch New York. It is what it is. So this was a beautiful ass move. So realistically, I think this is just gonna probably turn around and sell down. Just because it's bought up since it's been buying up since like four, really since Friday, buy up, buy up, buy up. This could be the turning point to sell back down. We come catch some moves back down into this zone. But yeah, because it's not looking like it really wants to buy back up, but that could change. It's just got this resistance right here on the 5. Could come back up. We'll see. But we're gonna have to start getting some more bullish candles. I think this is losing exhaustion right here. So, and this is a supply zone. I think it's gonna sell off from the supply back to this demand down here. I think the demand zone is probably, I'd say around right here. I can mark that out for you. Actually see it. Probably about like right here-ish. Yeah, so I think we could get it like a little sell back down. That's what I think we're gonna get some sell back down because I mean it's been buying up. It's gonna have to retest eventually, playing between these little zones. But I don't think it'll come back up here just yet, but it could come back down to this zone, play a little bit, boom, and then maybe we get the move push up to here tomorrow, and then eventually back up to here. But I definitely think it's buying, but I think it's gonna sell here for a little bit. So, we get in for a good time, not a long time. So definitely on the 30 minute. See, look what we're looking like on the 30. We're getting rejections here. So just gotta wait and see, bro. So we got some news coming up, and then we got some news at 9:30. At 9:30 might push it down even more. Who knows? It could spike up and continue to buy up, then come down afterwards. We don't know. We're all just in here together. We're gonna wait and see though. So let's get it. Yeah, you see, we're losing some of the buy momentum that we got because we had a lot. I think we're gonna definitely just get a little pushback into this zone right here. Yeah, because either buying up or selling. It looks like it's selling based off of this hour. Go to the 4. We got 2 minutes left. It could literally come back down to here, retest all this just to make a wick, and then continue to buy up. So who knows? Feeling pretty confident. We're just gonna wait to see what this news comes on the 5. Yeah, let's go wait and see. See how we got this push coming down here. That's exactly what I was telling y'all about, like the double top down. We're gonna wait till the news to push up. You know me. I usually get in. It just depends. Like sometimes I'll get in around like 8:30-ish, and then I'll take this down. But since it's news, I'm not usually used to it. It's not like I'm really having to force anything. Yo, we're getting a drop now close to 9 o'clock. So really all we're looking for is this. Come back down to here. Really, really, we don't even take this. Like I think we're good here, but I think this is pretty valid. Like as soon as we get a break here, that's when I'll get in. It's not like we're in for like a long time. We're only really gonna check 25. I go risk 10, make 25, 10 pips, 15. And we got some news coming here pretty soon. It's 9 a.m. Let's see what happens. Still sitting. We shall see though. Still got 9:30. News ain't really do shit right there. Cause I mean, that's probably on the plan. We could take buys, take sells. Depends on what this wants to do. This could even continue to buy up here because I see rejection, rejection. It can go up. Who knows? It's in buying, so it's kind of like counter trend. It is a on the 15. We could get a buy up to here, but who knows? This is a 15 sell. Back up. See, there's gonna be a retest back up into the highs. Not the highs, but we're gonna take the lows. See what we're cooking with now. We getting a little slight rejects. We got one, two. Yup. Yup. And we're on the five, and then now we get into here. This is a smooth little demand. We'll get it ready to get into some more up here. All right, so we could try to take this thing down to here. We wanted to, but we'll see. But we are at a high. It hasn't really broke this all the way. Now we got some wicks. I don't think we got any body closures like right on the same exact zones right here. It's just wicks. Uh, we'll see. This is gonna look like. We go here, and then from this point, shoot, we could continue to go up. You know, haven't entered any trades yet. I'm just seeing what they look like. I can visualize what the candles might do, but I think we're playing between these two zones right here. Because before it was between here and here. Now we're here. Now we're actually here and here, playing between these zones. So it could get a sell back down to here. I don't think this is going to continue to keep buying. It might. Who knows? But we're just getting for the buy instead of the sell. So we just gotta wait and see. But yeah, we're gonna see. Still looking to buy. It's probably be a retest up because it's still looking like it wants to buy up, but there's still news. The news is going on. News hasn't really did anything here. We got some more news. We got a speech coming on here. GBP USD. GBP has an I guess announcement or something. Somebody speaking for their house. So that's probably gonna affect this. That's coming on at 9:30, actually 9:15. So what I might do, go ahead. Okay, yeah. So so let me go ahead and end this one. But yeah, we're gonna catch y'all, keep y'all posted.